What's up guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level of a Range Rover 2014 model. After changing the oil you have to check the level of course. This car doesn't have an oil stick, so you have to check that electronically, and you can check it with this with the menu on the steering wheel. I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We have more than 250 videos on different model cars, on how to reset or how to check some tips and tricks. If you like, you can check them all. Okay, let's start with this one. First of all, we have to turn or press the ignition on like this and let it be for a few seconds till the menu over here comes back. Then when you see this, press the OK button on the left side. Once you are here, you can go to surface menu, and once you are here, go to oil level, and this is the place where you can check the oil level. One thing I want to mention is you have to be patient when checking the oil level, because when I did it with a cold engine, it didn't check it. So I had to drive for a few minutes, and after driving it and the car was warm, or the engine was warm, then you have to let it cool down, and after 15 minutes come back to this menu and you can check the oil level. So I had to wait for 15 minutes because it said it is not possible to check the oil level, and after 15 minutes it checked the oil level by itself. So just be patient, and then I think it will work for you also. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.